Oh yeah! Right, we've got another trailer here, another Rhino one. John Deere. Look at that. Oh, we got another one as well. Oh, this is Jim. Look at him. 2026 H trailer. Pro Series. So, what's it? 17th June, this is today. So far today, full day of work at Quex Park at doing a bit of veg farming with Jack Scott, planting some cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, and now we're here watching Triticale, and we got a Rhino lorry about to come past. Nobody going on there, I imagine. Wide load. Look at that. Full load there. Oh, what a shot that. The sunset and everything. There we go. Just getting the front of that trailer in now. Oh, what a trailer. There you go. End of that run. I imagine. Oh, okay. Tractor coming down there now. Just doing this run just to fill up this Stewart trailer here. And then Jim will take over. Then we got Bent over there. Really should have brought my sunglasses. It's not the end of the world. What's that? Tom Husk there. And the ledges in a Rhino 74. Go. What's Tom doing? Turn around maybe. Yeah, lovely Series 4 Fendt 74 there. Just getting that corner there with that. And they'll clean up that bit just over there, something like that. petrol tyre inflation on that Jag, and yet the 600 direct hits. Alright, I'll stop the video here and then catch up again in a bit. See you in a bit. Day 2.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Try and get his number then. So you say that's for Monday? Alright, I'll try and I'll get his number and yeah, give him a ring and see what the crack is. Other stuff, yeah. Well, my plan is if I can get done here today. There's 20 hectares at what's his face, Patrick Mays, which you're probably going to be yeah, or it'd be nice to be there, done there and out of there in the afternoon maybe. So yeah, then that gives you really, in my head, Saturday, Sunday to do 40 hectares at Grove Ferry. And that's the lot. And I was hoping to, yeah, the weekend I'd be done and dusted, and it would free us all up for next week again. But yeah, you just don't know. And the other thing I don't know is obviously if he suddenly turns around and says, oh, could you do a load at wherever, because if they ain't been going, yeah, I don't know, but yeah, I keep looking at it, and yeah, I keep telling myself don't look. Yeah, 7 then the lorry. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it is getting there. I mean, this cut I'm on seems to be opening up fairly quick. Yeah. Alright then, mate, I better ring Jet, but I'm on
raining, we're going to get finished today. It's a day like today where you'll probably get a heavy a torrential shower.
Oh, yeah.
Know those moments when all your worries hit again and eat your time. So let's just pretend that it'll work out in the end and turn out fine. Yeah. Every night crashes down on you like an avalanche, opening up the deepest parts of our thoughts, and all you find is deeper shades of blue. Let's dance for hours, letting time pass like the wind. What's on your mind? But leave that behind and let loose. Show your problems out the door and let loose. Ain't no worries on the dance floor. Just let the weight of your shoulders show them what you're made of. Right here, right now. Ain't no worries when you let loose. Tonight let's remember that the past is in the past and it's our time. And you won't forget this and definitely not regret your hand in mine. All of that mess just disappears when you look at me. Nobody else around is dragging us down, and now you know there's one thing left to do. So let's dance for hours, letting time pass like the wind. What's on your mind? Leave that behind and let loose. Show your problems out the door and let loose. Ain't no worries on the dance floor. Just let the weight of your shoulders country lanes and coastal plains, endless views that we're passing through, making our way to a distant place, just us two, somewhere new. Watch the sky fade into the night. With you, my arms, nothing can go wrong. We'll fall asleep on a starlit beach, just us two, somewhere new. Somewhere new.
Dead pick up from the farm.
Yeah.
Got that in.
Easily, yeah.
Oh, it's chilled back.